Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve kicking you out on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to CapCut app and you can click. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut app here. If you'll find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.